I want to specially welcome everybody to EasyTech Academy AI and Automation Masterclass. At EasyTech, we train aspiring professionals on skills they need to thrive and become global tech talent. We train students on data analysis with AI. This is one of our courses. We also train students on AI automation. For the data analysis course, we train students on Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Power BI, SQL, and how they can use AI as data analysts. Another course that we have is AI automation. This is where we train students on anything, make.com, Google Scripts, and Claude. Yes, we also train students on Claude, how to use Claude to carry out automation. And then our newest course that we get to introduce as soon as possible, are currently collating students, by launching by next month, first week in next month, which is digital marketing with AI. Digital marketing with AI covers content creation, running adverts, positioning, brand positioning, how to create landing pages, and many more. And our digital marketing course is also coming with the AI package. So we title it as digital marketing with AI. So all of our courses have AI, right? So depending on the one you might love to go for, right? I want to sincerely welcome everybody this moment. It's only fantastic to have you join our master class. The master class we are taking today is as a result of, we discover this master class was scheduled for Sunday. This master class we're taking today was scheduled for Sunday, but we had a lot of persons who were interested in taking the course, right? And they were unable to join the Sunday session. That's why we are repeating that section again. Are you there? So if you join us on Sunday, and this might be like a refresher, right? To you, this might be like a refresher, but we are repeating what was discussed on Sunday, right? It was meant for Sunday, but the population was very low, and we had a lot of persons who were interested in learning this skill, and that's why we have to take it again today. I want to believe we're all enjoying our breaks. How is the break going? Okay, that's cool. All right, without wasting much time, my name is Israel Afolabi. I'm an AI and automation specialist at EasyTech Academy. I'll be your facilitator, I'll be an instructor, and I'll be your mentor for the next 1 hour. So please take notes. There are some restructuring within EasyTech Academy. This section will only and only be available to only those who wait till the end of the training. So after this section, we will no longer be sharing the recordings. Recordings will only be available for those who wait till the end of the training. So if you log out and then your name is not captured, your email is not captured, you will not have access to the recording. And that was why some persons are asking, sir, the recording, the recording, and the recording was not available. So please kindly wait till the end of the training. If you're not interested, you can take your leave, right? But if you're interested in learning the tech skill, you're interested in transitioning, you want to become an automation specialist, you want to make life easier, you want to achieve better results with minimal effort, this training is for you. Hey there, this training is for you. And I'm going to simplify the entire process because I believe there are newbies. Some persons have reached out to me and told me they don't know anything about tech. In fact, they are even asking me, I hope it's easy. I'm here to tell you that at EasyTech, we make tech skill easy. Are we good to go? If you're ready for me, just type yes. Let me know if you're ready so I can start sharing my screen. And if you type no, you can end the class now. But let me know if you're ready for me. Just type yes if you're ready for me. I want to see you all. Thank you so much. Humble, how are you? Good to have you here. I'm only seeing one yes. Okay, I'm only seeing 2 yes. Okay, yes, I'm seeing the yes. The yes are coming. That's beautiful. So I'm also ready to kickstart this session. So let me pull up my screen. So we have my screen rolling and then we can. Thank you so much. I love that. I love that. I love the energy. So let's take a section now. So my screen is coming up. So let me pull up my screen. Good. My slide is ready. AI and automation. No, I told you I'm going to repeat everything I said on Sunday, right? So if you're a newbie, I'm also going to give it in a way that you don't get to forget. What is AI? What is automation? I'm going to define these key terminologies because if we don't understand the foundation, there's nothing I'm going to say today that will stick. So it's best for me to start with the basic, right? What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. Artificial, right? I believe everybody is aware of artificial. But the way I always love to define it, I always say it, and I love to use this same scenario. If I ask you, what do you know? What you know is known as human intelligence. What you know, what you've gone to school to study. I don't know. You've gone to school to study law. You've gone to school to study medicine and surgery. Human intelligence. What you know, you're a content creator. What you know is what? Human intelligence. If you're a content creator and you have, let me say, 5 years or 6 years or 7 years or 10 years experience, and then I get to ask you, how do I write this programming language? Will you be able to answer me? The answer is no, because what you know is what? Content creation. What you know is law. What you know is medicine and surgery, or whichever course you've gone to school to study. If I ask you questions outside the box, we are unable to answer. But that's not the goal. The goal is what you know. What may I know today is human knowledge, human intelligence. If you ask me questions outside what I don't know, I cannot answer you. But what I know is known as what? Human capital, human knowledge, right? Good. Agree with me that human knowledge is limited. After this class, I would love to go and take my rests. I've been working since morning. Yes or yes? Yes. I would love to take my rest. I would love to go and sleep. I'm already exhausted. Yes or yes? Yes. Are you there? There's a threshold to what I can do in a day. But now, some person sat down and then they said, let's collate, let's combine, let's simulate. Please mute your mic, please. Let's simulate human knowledge into machine. So what they want is, they now want machine to carry human knowledge. So all the knowledge of your professors, all the knowledge of your doctor, all the articles from all the departments, from both academic and non-academic, all those knowledge are now collated into a machine. Do you get? All this knowledge is now collated into a machine. And that's where, when you go to your ChatGPT, you ask question on chemistry. Will ChatGPT answer or no answer? ChatGPT will answer. You ask question on physics, ChatGPT will answer. Ask question about America, ChatGPT will answer. Ask question about Europe, ChatGPT will answer. It's now, so in fact, some people, I know about my boss from India. He will say, ChatGPT is a small god. Can you imagine? I understood him because ChatGPT is like, knows everything. Yes, he asks any question about programming, non-programming, law, physics, chemistry, you send screenshot to ChatGPT, he's able to answer. Right? So he was referring to AI tools as what? As little God. But that's not why we're here actually. But AI, artificial intelligence, is the simulation, is the collation, is the gathering of all human knowledge into machine. Machine can now respond. Machine can now act. Machine can now take decision. Machine can now respond based on user input. And then the keyword automation. From the word, is automation new? No. Automation has been existing for a very long time. There was an example I shared on Sunday. I'm just going to repeat it. Your traffic lights, it's automated. Yes or yes? Yes. After some time, it's changed to red. After some seconds or minutes, depending on how it's being programmed, it changed to green, changed to yellow, right? Automated, right? This is where you have systems structured that perform tasks that does not require human automation, right? So now when you now bring these two keywords together, AI automation. This is performing tasks or setting up workflow, setting up structures to achieve tasks with minimal or with no human intervention. Examples are, you can set up lead generation that automatically captures leads, automatically follow up with leads, automatically classify leads, automatically nurtures leads until they pay. You can set up customer chatbots, automatically respond to customers, automatically replies to customer. It works 24/7. You don't need to be there before it works. When you ask question, it's able to respond to you as if it's human. I did a chatbot for a client, and this man was wild. In fact, he was telling me that the chatbot has respect. That's how you can program it, right? Whereby the way the chatbot will be responding, you will feel is human, right? You feel it's human. And this man has like 30 years of experience working in the business sector. When he was interacting with the chatbot, he was blew away. I understood him. And chatbot has been existing for a very long time. So I don't want us to go into that. But the chatbots we are having now, they are AI powered. They understand sentiment. They understand nuance. They can respond to you as if you are responding to a human. You can set it up. Automation. You can set up AI voice agents that automatically place calls, that automatically respond to calls, respond to customer inquiries, and they can act as receptionists. Yes or yes? Yes. You can set up AI automation workflow that automatically make posts across all your social media platform. Yes or yes? And that's why we are here. We want to create a solution that can automatically post across all our social media platform in just one click. We want to build a system, a pipeline that can automatically post across our social media platform. How does it work? We're going to connect all our social media platform. You have Facebook. Let's say you're a social media manager, or let's say you're a content creator, or let's say you're an individual who wants visibility, who wants audience, right? Good. And you can agree with me, the stress that comes with it for you to create posts, edit posts, collate hashtag, then go to Facebook and make the post. That same post, go to Twitter and make the post. That same post, go to LinkedIn, make the post. That same post, go to Instagram and make the post. That same post, go to YouTube and make the same post. You can agree with me how stressful this can be. But now, this masterclass is focused at how can you automate it? The truth is, automation can definitely set in. You don't need to do it the conventional way. With just a command. In fact, you can even take it a step. You might not even click anything. You can set it up and then say every 5 o'clock, post for me. Every 12 o'clock, post for me. Every 3 o'clock, post for me. Every first day in the month, post for me. Depending on how you want it, you can set it up. That's why we are here. And the most fantastic part is not difficult to set up. Before now, it might take you 4 days, 5 days to set it up. But now we have tools that can help you set it up with no stress. Before now, a student was asking questions. I don't know the student exactly. I was saying, are we here to learn anything? Are we here to learn make.com? Are we learning to hear Zapier? The answer is yes. But I'm here to tell you that all of these two self is still stressful. My students are here, you can testify to it. We have other platforms that will not stress you and will achieve better results. Are you there? Am I going too technical? I hope I'm still within our pace. Good. I don't know. Can you still hear me? Let me confirm that. Let me just confirm that. Let me just confirm
We are
that.
with you. We are with you. We
Thank
can
you
hear
so
you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. My second screen is not up. I will have been monitoring the entire section, but permit me. Let's just use one screen. I don't want to be looking here and there. I want to focus solely on you. Great. Great. Can you see now? It's not about slide though. I have slide. Don't worry. I'm going to share the slide with you, but it's not about slide. Everything is loaded for you. Don't worry. Just let me point it out. And with a notepad, writing materials. Let's take note of all of this. All right. So let's proceed. So we want to create a solution. You might want to build YouTube automation. This same solution works for you. With this solution, you can be posting videos 5 times in a day, 7 times in a day. In fact, I can tell you for a fact, you can even be posting 24 videos in a day. No, we have 24 hours. You can post 24 videos in a day. You don't need to do anything. We are here to do it together. Don't worry, I'm going to see it. I'm going to see it. Yes. And then you can use that to grow your page, get your page monetized, and more. But what we want to focus on today is we want to automate a post with just one click, and then it's published across all our platforms. You want it as normal text, it will be posted. You want the text with image, it will be posted. You want the text with video, to be posted. You want the text with what do they call this thing? Slides, PowerPoint slide. We can do it. We can do it. We just what? A prompt. We're going to do it together. I'm going to see how fantastic this solution is. Why is automation? Why is it important? Okay, let me just go through my slides. So I'm not just be saying everything. So this is the section outcome. This is what I want to learn today. We're going to understand what automation means. We're going to learn how businesses use AI today. AI can be applied to every field, right? I don't want to expand the class beyond the scope. I have a lot to say. So yes, so I've been seeing AI images, AI content, AI this, AI that, AI that. Of course, AI is influencing all sectors. Whichever sector you are, AI is coming for you, right? Good. And of course, we're going to build a full automation pipeline and end-to-end social media workflow. For me, it's not like we are building anything. There's no big deal in what we are building, right? Just give the command and then the command will act, right? This same solution also can be built using other automation tools like N8N, like make.com. I don't know if Zapier can do it. And Claude can also do something similar. We're going to do a live demo today, right? Today, we're going to see the way it's going to work. We're going to see how content is being published everywhere instantly. And the last part, before we leave, automation mindset. The truth is this. I always ask my students, because of time, what is that thing that you do every day, repetitively? It can be every day, it can be every week, it can be every month. I can tell you for a fact that automation can handle some of these tasks. Yes. So let's say you're a content creator, you create content, right? You can set up automation that can automatically create content. You're a content writer, you're a technical writer. We can set up automation that can automatically write content. You are, mute your mic, please. So you are, please mute your mic. Let me move from the call. If I turn, I want to move from the call, please. Let me move it, please. Let's mute the mic. So we have this section perfectly organized. I always love my classes to be organized, please. Thank you. So good. So how do we think in systems to scale our work? Last week, some HR were telling me, our onboarding is always very stressful from here to here to here to here. And I told them, we can set up automation that can handle this. Should I tell you what we built for them? We built a system. Immediately, there's a new employee. The new employee fills a form. Immediately, he fills the form. Automated ID card, automated employee ID, automated offer letter, with the salary, with the percentage, with everything signed, all sent. His name, his birth date will be added to the CRM too. Anytime he's celebrating birthday, he'll be notified. 100% automated. I always tell this story. I always share this story. I said my previous work, I was celebrated twice in the year. They celebrated me 3rd of March. They celebrated me 11th of March. Why? Because it was manual. It was 3/11. So they celebrated me 3/11, then 11/3. Celebrated me twice. But now there's automation. You set it. HR, go and relax. Whenever you are having your birthday, automatically what? Send a birthday reminder. Send a birthday wishes from the company. 100% automated. Nobody is checking. I belong to one WhatsApp group. I will not tell you the name of the WhatsApp group. They now said, if your birthday is in March, kindly send a DM. That was last 2 years, 2 years ago. I sent a DM. They now asked me, please, sir, what should I do? This one I'm meeting their mic. And I said, please, sir, send me the date and your picture. I felt embarrassed now. Come on, you're asking me these details on my WhatsApp. It feels somehow. You can set up automation that automatically will create the flyer, will create the banner, like the flyer, the image, that brand designers need to have created. Automation will create it and automatically send it whenever they are having their bidding. My students are here, they built something similar. We built fantastic solutions. We can create automation that automatically send emails every month. The one to send January will be different from the email you're going to receive by February. Will be different from the email you're going to receive by March. 100% automated. There are several solutions we can build. All right. That's why I said automation is coming for everybody. Automation can actually affect all departments. Yes or yes? Yeah. So it comes with the mindset. All right. We're also going to cover that as we wrap up this section. And don't forget, recording will only be available for all those who wait till the end of the training. And please, all questions will be taken at the tail end of the class. So please collect your questions, and then your questions will be attended to at the tail end of the class. I'll be very brief. Time is running fast. Let me now focus on my slides so that we can cover up. So what is AI? I've explained this: simulation of human knowledge into machine. We have different AI tools: ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Perplexity, DeepSeek. Yes, there are a whole lot. And of course, we use it for our day-to-day tasks, right? We use it to generate images. We use it to generate content. We use it as an assistant while studying to learn more. We ask questions, we reason, we write, we create it. There are a lot. Some of us also use it to code. Some of us, or some of you, use it for guidance. You are doing this or you want to do a task and then you don't know how to go about it. Some of you are even asking ChatGPT, how do I make my first millionaire? Yeah, I've done it before. Right? I've done it before. Just today, yeah, this is who I am. How can I make 1 million? Give me, please, let's make some occurring frequency now. Let me meet everybody. Okay, let me meet everybody. Mr. Emmanuel. Okay, let me meet everybody. And that might be the best for now. So let me meet everybody. So that we'll not be having back and forth. Thank you so much. I can see we have a larger number of students who are joining us. Thank you so much. All right. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is my slide. Great. So you ask questions from ChatGPT and it's able to give you answers, response. Very fantastic, right? Good. But I'm here to tell you that beyond you generating answer, writing content, editing your code, and all of those minimal tasks, your AI tools can do more better. Your AI tools can do better than that, right? And that's why we're here to learn together. So what is automation? I use it to send email automatically, voice agent, automated data analysis. Let me tell you what I did today. Today. I was given a project to work on around data analysis, and I look at the stress of me doing that same project, and I said, is there how I can connect my Claude to Power BI? I did it. I connected my Claude to Power BI. I just told Claude, this is the data. This is what I want to achieve. Then Claude did everything for me. Like I did it today. Like today. I connected it, and it was a perfect solution for me. Right. But before now, I've been doing some automation around Excel, but today I was able to connect it to Power BI directly, and it was fantastic. I've been doing for database. If you are struggling to write SQL syntax here, AI will help you, right? With the right syntax or generate the actual accurate value or answer that you want. That's automation. That's automation, right? You don't need to cram SQL syntax. You don't need to cram Excel formulas. You don't need to cram any code. Gone are the days, right? Because the future of work is becoming more easy. So reduce the goal of automated section is to reduce repetitive human work so that human can have more time to do what? To focus on growth, focus on scalability, so that they have higher value thinking. Are you there? Good. So AI thinks, automation thinks the acts, delivers, does the work, right? Good. Why is automation? Why is it important? Why AI? Why AI automation? Why it works? There are a lot of benefits. 24/7, it saves time, it saves cost, and many other benefits, right? You reduce error, right? It reduces error, and many more, and many more, many more, right? And many more. You can scale if you use automation. Now look at something that happened. Let me just tell you. Let me tell you. I made a post on TikTok. I'm not really a TikTok person. I'm not really a TikTok. I just made a post on TikTok, right? I never knew the post will go very far. The post right now is having more than 11,000 views, and I just made a post. Some of you came via TikTok. Yes, some of you came via TikTok, no doubt. But I have more than 200 persons who said they're interested. More than what? More than 250. Yeah, more than 250. They said they are interested in joining this class, right? And I'm like, how do I handle it? How do I bring everybody from that TikTok to join this section? I'm unable to even, I don't think I've even responded to 50. I don't think I've responded to 50. But if you are here, that means I've responded to you. But I'm not even responding to 50. And there was 250 around that number. Now imagine that the number now increased to, let's say, 1,000 or 5,000 tomorrow. Or let's say, and I make another post, and then I now have like 500 people who are interested in joining this class. How do I undo it? And that's where automation sets in. And in my mind, I'm like, how do I automate it? How do I bring everybody? Right? And that's the automation mindset I want to bring up. Scalability. When you automate your tasks, it makes it very easy for you to scale. Even though the number increased to 1,000, it's not longer difficult. Right? It's no longer difficult. But if you are doing it manually, just the way I was doing it, responding to DMs, I'm interested in joining your class that I sent. How of you came to my WhatsApp? Yeah, I love that. Thank you so much for that. How of you came to my WhatsApp and like, oh, I saw your video on TikTok and this and this and this, and now we are interested. I get. So there are several benefits, but I want us to go into practical. Right? Let's do practical. It saves time, remove repetition, higher speed, less effort from human. You also scale. So let us go into practical. There are a lot of benefits, and of course, business importance. When you also have it in your business, low operating costs, faster marketing. Now, faster marketing, for example, let's say, for example, some of you who are here, you messaged me twice, 3 times before I added it to the group. I'm always occupied. Even right now that I'm speaking, I'm having DMs. People are trying to reach out to me, and I'm having class. But if I have an automation or a customer chat bot or a WhatsApp bot or a Telegram bot that is responding to customer questions, customers' inquiry, faster marketing. Yes or yes, yes. Consistency, competitive advantage. You have higher edge than others, right? And many more, wider digital reach. So automation just gives you that edge. Automation gives you that edge. Even more money. If you're here, you want to learn YouTube automation, this is a very fantastic solution. You don't need to be jumping from one tool to another tool, and then you're using Grok, you're using History, you're using Agent, you're using Nano Banana, you're jumping. No. With these two, you don't need to be doing, you don't even need CapCut. Plug it in, connect it to your YouTube, and then you're making your money. Go and sleep. I can assure you of that. Go and sleep. Go and do other tasks. I said this on Sunday. Let me also repeat it. If you check my LinkedIn, me, I'm always LinkedIn person, right? I'm always LinkedIn. You check my LinkedIn for the past 2 months. I can't remember the time that I sat down to create content, to write content, to post content. All the content you are seeing there, they are AI generated, and you cannot perceive. And that's where prompt engineering also comes in place. You can be using AI, and people are able to detect that this is AI. But you can also use AI in a way that nobody will detect. Yes, I can tell you this with confidence. But let me just stop the entire talking. Yeah, there's a lot for you actually. There's a lot for you. So with automation 24/7, I've said this a lot. And this slide will also be available. This slide will also be available. I've also covered this. I said automation is affecting every industry. I don't know your industry, even though if you're in the academy, you're a lecturer. Yes, I have a lecturer. I don't know if he's here. I'm not sure if he's here, and he might be here. Let me just say it in a more tricky way. He told me he has published 2 books in a month, but before now, it takes more time before he could publish 1 book. You have to read here, go to library, study here, go here, go here, go here. But now, shorter time, and he's able to achieve a lot. I have an author, a man who's an author, like somebody like a mentor. It's an author. He told me, he said, when he gets to know about ChatGPT, he said, if he wants to be writing book every day, it's very, very possible. AI is affecting every industry. So let's go into demo because I want us to enjoy the demo. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to give AI the topic, we connect it to Claude, then we tell you the format, and then it distributes it across all our platform. Can we go and do it now? So good. So the two we're going to use tonight, we're going to use Claude. Some of you have heard about Claude. I don't know. I don't want to take our time. I'm just pressed for time. We're going to use Claude. We're also going to use Bluetato. We're going to use Claude. We're going to use Bluetato. Claude is an AI tool, right? We all know it as a tool that we use to write. We use to, we use to generate code. We use to write code. We use it to generate result answers and many more. Let me even tell you, this beautiful slide that you have seen, it was automated. I use Claude to create this slide. How is my slide? Now, I want you to rate my slide on a scale of 1 to 10. You have been seeing my slide, right? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me see your response. Yes. Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate my PowerPoint slide. You have been seeing it now. Rate it. Please let me very fast. Just tell me over 9. Thank you so much. 9.5, 10, 8. Thank you so much. 95%. Thank you so much. Now, can you see? So, and if I tell you that it's AI, the truth is this slide can go anywhere. There's no limitation to this slide. Perfect, clear, simple, professional. See, let me tell you, if I was to create this slide on my own, maybe like 3 days. And even in 3 days, it will not be as neat as this. It's not be as clean as this. It will not be as professional as this. But with Claude, I built it. Reduce my, I don't think I spent 10 minutes on this slide. I don't think I spent 10 minutes. I just gave Claude what I want to teach. Okay. Excuse me. Just tell Claude, I want to teach this. Turn it to a slide. Make it simple, professional. Add image, add this, add this. I gave Claude instruction. And just one time. It's not like Claude was doing it 5 times. No, just the first time Claude did it, and this is what you're seeing. That's automation. Do you want to spend 5 hours doing it, or you want to spend 10 minutes and do the same result? I want to achieve better results, right? I'm not here to preach, but I'm here to just open our mind, right, to what automation can help you achieve as an individual, right? We struggle a lot, we go through a lot, but here are tools that can make the entire workload much easier. We are going to now, aside you using Claude as a generative tool to generate answer, you look at it. I use to generate PowerPoint slide, right? Good. Can also use to generate content. Can use to generate ideas. Can use to generate image. Can use to generate video. Can use to generate slide. Can use to generate almost anything. Yes or yes? Yes. Claude can also act as an automation tool, just like the way you have your anything, just like your Zapier, just like your make.com. Claude can also serve as an agentic AI tool. That is, you can use it to perform multi-level tasks. You can assign agents. Can be like, okay, go to my Google Drive, go and get a particular image, and this image, send it here. I say, okay, go to this website, go and check for the latest content, latest this, grab it for me, edit it, fine tune it, post it for me, or send it to this part. I say, okay, go to Canva, go and create an image and give me the image. Claude can help you achieve that. And we also have Blotato. Blotato is an automated connector. It's an automation connector that can be used to distribute posts across all your social media platform, right? So let's get into it. I want to stop this slide now. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be using my browser. I love Microsoft Edge. You can use any browser of your choice. So I'm going to go into Blotato. Just type Blotato, right? This is the website. Let me share with you. So please, you can also help me share it on the WhatsApp group. You can help me share it on the WhatsApp group. All of you that are giving me 9, can you do it? You're giving me 9. You cannot give me 10, but it's fine actually. Right? Can you do it? Some of us cannot do it. It's going to take time. I give me 9/10. You cannot do my AI 10. Huh? That's on the lifetime naturally. So yes, so go to Blotato, right? So I'm going to go to Blotato, and then I'm going to click on login. I already have an account. Then you just need to sign in. So what you do on Blotato is you're going to connect all your social media platforms to Blotato. So you can also connect up to 21. So click on settings, and then you come to this Palaces account. So after you sign in, Blotato is not free, right? Good. So this is it. So you connect all your social media platform. This your Twitter, just click on it, connect it. Your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram, your Thread, your Pinterest, as many as possible, even to your YouTube. I'm going to answer all questions after now, please. All questions after now, please. Are you there? Good. All questions after now. So please, and one beautiful thing is you can connect it to as many as 21. So that means if you have 5 TikTok accounts, if you have 2 Twitter accounts, if you have 3 Telegram accounts, now some of you can have like 5 Facebook accounts. Yes, you can connect everything up to what? 21. Or let me see, if you have 21 Facebook accounts, you can connect everything at once. And you can automate posts across all the 21 with just one click. Or depending on how you want it. You can say this post, go to the first page. This post, go to the second page. This post, go to the third page. If you're into AI, say AI agency, they call them, you're into digital agency. This agency, but I can't remember the prefix. Like people that manage people's social media accounts. All of those, I don't know what they call them. Agency now. Yes, agency. You manage people accounts. Maybe you manage 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 brand accounts. This is a perfect solution for you, right? That you can use to manage as many social media accounts as possible, right? So if I scroll down also, You get to see my own. These are my own. So this is my Facebook, just one. My Facebook, this is my YouTube. I have two YouTube accounts, right? Don't mind me. I'm being like you. So one Instagram account, one LinkedIn account, I see my social media account, right? Good. I've connected it. And I've not even connected up to 21. That means I can even take for my friends and connect it and then automate posts into their pages, into their walls, into their platforms, right? Good. That's what we have here. So if you are connecting Bluetooth to anything, yes, some of us, we are already using anything and all of this platform. Just come to API, right? And copy the API key. Those who are already doing automation, you understand what API means, application programming interface, and that journey on its own. It's another topic, a wide topic, at least covered extensively in class. But permit me, I may not go deeper into that today, but just get your API key and you are good to go. And for those who understand how to use MCP, right? MCP is also here. But what we want to do is we also want to use the same MCP tonight, right? So what MCP does it gives you more access, right? It gives you larger access to what you can do. API will just give you one direction, but MCP gives you more access. Can create, recreate, fine tune. If there's an error, it correct the error and ensure that your mission is achieved. So I'm going to use Bluetooth today. So that's that, right? That's that. I'm going to use Bluetooth and we connect it with Claude. Some of you are using Claude. Claude is no longer new. So just go to Claude.ai. Let me also share with you the link because I believe we have beginners who might also love to, explore this too. Please, as I'm sending the link, kindly help me share it on the main WhatsApp group, please. Also, help me share it on the main WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for that. So Claude, of course, we're familiar with Claude. We can use Claude to generate. We can use Claude to also perform agentic tasks. So what we want to do now is we want to connect Bluetooth and Claude together. How do we connect it? There's a part on Claude called connectors. Now, I've been mentioning this a lot of times. I've said Claude, I've been covering Claude for the past 2 months now, extensively. We've been having several sections on Claude. So I've trained a lot of students on Claude, right? So please, you might need to check out those recorded classes. So permit me, I may not go into details, but connectors basically gives you access to connect Claude with other application. Example like Canva. Canva is where you go to create your design. But I can tell you now that you don't need to go to Canva before you can create design. You can command prompts into Claude and tell Claude, I want a young man standing, sleeping, and then it will go to Canva and do what? And create a design for you. You can connect Claude to Nano Banana, to Higgsfeed, to Agent, whichever the AI video creation you use. It will go there and create the video for you. Is that fantastic? Yes. So if you have been doing it yourself, I'm not saying it's not fun, but I'm telling you that automation can set in. But that's not why we are here, but just to tell you how connectors are very, very powerful. If I want job now, I want to apply to 10 jobs. I don't need to go to Indeed. I don't need to go to all of these platforms. I will connect my anything with those platforms. And I'll say, give me 10 jobs. If I want to apply, everything is now easy. If I want 50 CEOs email, don't stress yourself. And then you go to Facebook and then go to LinkedIn and then you are struggling. Don't need to stress yourself. There are tools you can connect your Claude to that will do what? That will help you extract it. Are you there? Good. But the one we want to do is we want to connect anything. I said anything. You can also connect Claude to anything. You can also connect it to Make, right? So there's a lot you can connect it to via MCP, right? But the one we want to do is we want to connect Claude to Bluetooth. So I'll go to click on this. Can you see my cursor? I'll click on settings and I'm going to connectors. Just click on settings. And for this connection, you can use free. It's not a must to use paid. I'll click on connectors and then I'll click on customize, and then I'm going to have this. So just click on this plus sign, and then you click on what? Add custom connector. You only need two things: the name and the remote MCP server URL. That's the only two things you need. MCP is already connected. You can command anything. So now let's get the name. How do we get the name? Come to Bluetooth. This is the name. Copy it, Control C, and then you come here and do what? Then you paste it, Control V. The remote server URL, come here to copy it. This is the URL, Control C. Then you come here and do what? Then you paste. Then you click on add. That's all. But because I already connected, that's why I say a server with this URL already exists. But if you've not done it for the, if you're doing it for the first time, just click on add, and that is all. Both tools can now communicate to each other. So this is my own, and these are all what it can help me do. Can help me create, can help me post, can help me edit, can help me update, can help me delete, can help me schedule, and many more. Are you there? Good. So when you connect it, now you're good to go. So now you can write your prompt, and then you can automatically post across all your social media platforms with just a click. Can we try it now? I want to see your yes. Can we try it now? I want to see your yes. Can we try it now? It's not to be taken later. No, don't worry. Question section. But let me see your yes. Thank you so much. 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 Good. So let's go and try it. Don't forget, you need to connect your tools, right? And we've done it already on Bluetooth. We've connected all our social media platforms to Bluetooth. So let's go and try it out. I'll just come to my Claude. Then you give it instruction, you give it command, and then it gets to do it for you. So for me, I always love, I don't like to type. It's not that I don't like to type, but typing sometimes can be very stressful. So I want to use voice, right? So that I'm speaking, it will be writing it for me. So let's do that now. Hello, I want you to make a short post on my, no, on a short post on my, on EasyTech LinkedIn. Sorry, let me do it again. I don't know why I'm talking this way. Me, I'm a Nigerian guy. Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Hello, I want you to help me make a short post right now to EasyTech Academy LinkedIn account. The short post should contain about a masterclass I just completed right now. The masterclass is focused on AI automation. I have 57 participants who are currently listening to me. This session has been very fantastic. We've looked into benefits of AI, definition of AI, and how AI can be adopted to make work easier, faster. Why is my voice not responding very fast? What's wrong with my network? Please, a moment. My network is slowing me down. Please, a moment. A moment. Let me power my network. My network is down. Hold on, please. What's wrong with my network? Hold on, please. Network is not getting signal. My network is slow. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. It's a bit down. So, okay, so it's not really capturing it well. I want you to help me right now. No, let me do it again. So, okay, help me create a short LinkedIn content right now. A short LinkedIn content right now. So it should focus on adoption of AI. Yeah, adoption of AI globally. And then automatically, I don't know, this thing is not working as expected. Let me just type it myself all the time. So I'm going to be very, very brief, but let me use this. Let me use this as an alternative. Let me use this. So I have two different mics. Okay, hello, good. So yes, help me write a short LinkedIn post and post it on EasyTech LinkedIn page right now. Focus on adoption of AI globally. And then automatically, I don't know, this thing is not working as expected. Let me just type it myself all the time. So I'm going to be very, very brief, but let me use this. Let me use this as an alternative. Let me use this. So I have two different mics. Okay, hello, good. So yes, help me write a short LinkedIn post and post it on EasyTech LinkedIn page right now. Focus on the rise of automation in Nigeria. What's going on? My network is flagging me. It's no longer working. It's like I'm going to type this to myself. All right, let me type it myself. Make a post for me on LinkedIn. I don't know. On LinkedIn. On LinkedIn. On Easy Tech accounts on LinkedIn. My network is flagging me. So let the title, let me just go to type. Let the title be what I usually give it in title. AI and Automation Master Class. Tonight we had a session on how AI can enhance work and improve productivity. It's been long I did this actually. What's on my network tonight? Okay. Sorry about that. Can you see? It can be very stressful also to type. So what does need to be just describe what you want actually, right? Describe what you want, and then so make the post using Potato and post it for me right now. Also include an image of a young Nigerian man teaching tech in school. Or let me say in classroom. In class. Classroom. Right? What exactly do I want? Also include hashtags. So this is basically what I want. This type of post I want. So basically, what does need to be is just describe the type of posts you want, right? Just describe. Can you see? This is just like 5 lines. So I'm just telling Claude, right? Make a post for me on EasyTech accounts. Now, why I'm mentioning EasyTech accounts is because on my LinkedIn, I have several accounts, right? I have my personal. I also have LinkedIn, the like EasyTech LinkedIn account. So I wanted to go into LinkedIn separately. If I want it on EasyTech and also on my own, I will direct it from here, right? So I just said this like the context of what I want it to organize for me. So don't worry, it will be the one to like help you fine tune the content. So I said tonight we had this session on AI, how AI can enhance work, how AI can improve productivity, and many more, right? And many more. Good. Right? So make the post using Potato and post it right now for me. So also include an image of a young man teaching tech in classroom. Also include hashtag. Now, normally, this is a vague prompt. Let's be very honest, right? This is a vague prompt. Prompt engineering is another topic on its own, right? Good. And that's how I can also teach you prompt engineering in a way that you get to understand, right? How to include the context, the action, the format, all of those. I always use craft method. It's a framework. Good. But God of tonight, everybody is still new. So just feel free to talk to your AI too, right? It knows how to fine-tune it in a way that you understand, and then it can give you the output. Should we click on enter? I will click on enter. It will automatically go to EasyTech LinkedIn and make the post. I believe everybody here is following us on LinkedIn. So please, Miss Ife, you can also help us check, or help us drop the link on LinkedIn so everybody can actually go and confirm. So Potato handles the heavy work now. So do you see? So to craft the post based on the context of the little thing I gave it, right? And also check for an image, attach the image, attach hashtag, and automatically do what? Post it for me. So just wait for some moments, then it gets to do that for us. So please, as we are trying to wrap up, you can start putting your questions together, right? You can start putting your questions together. Good. Start collating your questions together. So can you see now? So you say what? Post published successfully on EasyTech LinkedIn account. So please, I want everybody to go to EasyTech LinkedIn account and share a screenshot of the content and the post. So can you see already? I already said it was the post is live, is successful. But I want you to go and confirm. And that's one thing I love about automation. Anytime I teach automation, it's my student that will first of all go and test it. Before of all go and see it, right? Then they now get back to me. So please, I want every one of you to go to Easy Technologies Academy on LinkedIn and go and check. So please, I'll be expecting the screenshot. Kindly share the screenshot on any WhatsApp group you currently belong. I'm expecting screenshot, please. And if it's not there, let me know. Yes, if it's not there, let us know. I'm waiting for screenshots. I've not seen any screenshots. So please, yes, go and check. Go and check. Go and check. Miss Ife, are you there? Can you help us share the link to Easy Tech LinkedIn page? Can you help us share the link to Easy Technologies LinkedIn page? Nobody's sharing screenshot. What's happening? Is it not there? Yes, Easy Technologies. Okay, let me just type it here. Easy Technologies. This is it. Easy. Miss Ife, are you there? Easy Tech Community Manager. Technologies Academy. I don't know. Is Miss Ife not here? She should be here. So can you check your LinkedIn? I want you to first of all go and see it. I can display it here, but I want you to first of all go and see it. Please go and check it out, and share a screenshot on the WhatsApp group. I'm not seeing any screenshots. I'm not seeing any screenshots. It's like I'm seeing screenshots, Abby. I'm seeing 22 messages. Please, okay, thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. Screenshots are coming in now. Thank you so much, Ambu. Is there no image attached? Thank you so much. Yes, so I'm confident now. Yes. So yes, let's go and see it also together. I will click on view on LinkedIn, and let's also go and see the post together ourselves, right? Let's go and see the post together ourselves. So I'm also going to picture it. I'm going to also put it up so we see it together. Thank you so much for all those who are, yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. No image. Yes, I love that. No image. Thank you so much. Great. So now, of course, number one, it worked, but there's no I love that. Image generation failed, right? Good. So it boils down to us, that the prompt is not really well organized, right? And the prompt is not well structured, right? So I can say, okay, make another post, and ensure there is image attached, right? And I hit enter. So this will also go and make another post and ensure that there's an image attached. So the first one, I don't know why there was no image, right? But this one I said, I want an image attached. It's going to create an image. And you see, it's using Nano Banana model to create an image. Now, this image, in my mind, this image will not be very, very great. I just said, make another post and ensure image is attached. It's a vague prompt. Image of what? Image of what? Are you there? So this is just an example of a vague prompt. And that's why even this prompt, even this output, I'm very confident that it may not even give me the best of results. Let me show you the one I use. I need to get to see the output. Well, I want you to see it now. So it's saying generating the image, blah, blah. So I want you to see the image. If I also want video, I can also say it, right? I can also say also generate video for me. We're going to do it together and we also get to see it. But don't forget, when you want an image to be generated, you need to provide more context, right, about the image, about the prompt, about the output. So now I just said make another post and ensure there's an image. Go and check it now. Just go and refresh on that same easy tech. Is there image now? Just let me confirm. Because it's telling me that that's added it. But I'm very sure the image might not really look good. The image might not really look good because there is no much context about the type of image that I want. Please share screenshots of the second one. Let me also see. I've directed my Claude to make another post, but this time include or attach an image, right? Attach an image. So let me see your screenshots. Thank you so much for those who are sharing screenshots. Let me check. Humble, thank you so much. Now, can you see? Let me also visualize it so that everybody too can see it from here. So I will click on view on LinkedIn, click open, and let's see it together. So good. So can you see this another post, right? From now, let's be very honest. Like, let's be very, very honest with ourselves. Like, let's be honest. If you see this post, can you imagine that it's AI generated? Look at the emoji. Look at the keywords. AI and automation masterclass. We did it. Tonight was absolutely incredible. We had the live session on how AI automation can transform the way we work. Look at it. Here's a glimpse. This. Watching this and this and this and this. Can you see? Now see the image. Not even one. Two different images. Don't forget, I said Nigerian man explaining AI. See the images yourself. Are they not real? It looks very real, right? Good. And don't forget, the prompt is still not acceptable. Where's the prompt? Let me show you. This is the prompt. Look at the prompts, just like one line. If I want to write prompts, my prompt sometimes can be. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my prompts, right? Look at the first prompt I give, and look at the output of what it's able to generate for us. If you want video, you can give it prompt to generate video for you. Right? Look at the hashtag AI automation, AI skills, this and this and this, right? Very, very impactful, very, very clean, very, very clear, right? Just from one click. Now let me just show you my prompt. Another part is most fantastic. This one now, I was the one who came here to type it. To say, yeah, post it for me. Then he posted it. There's another part called routine. Just click on Claude Code. There's another part called routine. Routine means you can schedule it. You can say every 9 o'clock, make post for me. Every 2 o'clock, make post for me. For me now, I always post twice a day on LinkedIn. My personal LinkedIn accounts now. Just come to routine, right? And this is it. Can you see? This is the post I always make 9 o'clock. And this is the post I make what? 12 o'clock. Every day. Every day, 9 o'clock, you will see a post on my LinkedIn account. I'm not the one posting it. This is what is doing it, 9 a.m. Just click here and then you see it. See my prompts. I was telling AI, let me show you very well. Click on this plus sign. This is my prompt. You are a personal LinkedIn ghostwriter and content strategy. You do and this. My name is what? Israel. I'm an AI engineer, AI consultant, AI this. Can you see my prompts? Can you see my prompts? Most people do this for me. Open this is CTA, no buzzword. Make it this number of words. Make it this. On Monday, you should post what? Insights, hot cake. Tuesday, teach something. Wednesday, story. Thursday, talk leadership. Friday. It's not like you get the same post on Monday, the same. No. Monday, I give the direction. Tuesday, another direction. Wednesday, another direction. Thursday, another direction. Sunday, reflection, a calm, slightly personal, this and this, a mindset, this and this. Can you see my prompts? The output, the post, the hashtag, the image, the this, the this. Can you see? If it's posting video, the video should not be more than 15 to 30 seconds. Vertical video that matches the post that did it. Can you see my prompts? If you have been seeing my post on it, you get to agree. And then I schedule it every what? Every 9 o'clock. So if you're into AI agency, you can schedule it every 9 o'clock. Post this for me. Every 10 o'clock, post this for me. The one I'm doing now is just 2. You can make your own 5 in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, depending on how you want it. Me, I don't want it to look real. I'm just telling you my secrets. And it's not a secret. It's making the entire workload much easier for me. And the honest truth, I can tell you this with confidence, that I've been getting more connection than ever before. I've been getting engagement than ever before. I've been getting connections, engagement, job referrals, connect like more than ever before. I'm not the one doing it. Are you there? I only do what I schedule it. You can schedule it to run anytime for you from Claude. It does it. If you have a content calendar, maybe you want to be posting on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, come here and schedule it. Go and relax. Go and do other things. It will draft the content, edit the content, modify the content to meet my needs, and also do what? Post it for me. Let's just do one more before we wrap up. So now, I don't want you to only post on Facebook. Let me give you another topic. What topic should I give it? Let me say, what topic should I give it? What topic? So I will just see, and then I will say post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even YouTube, maybe like 4 or 5 platforms. So what topic should I give it? Just give me anybody, any suggestion. Okay, let me just say deep learning. Yes, let's do it together. So let me say create another topic on deep learning. Deep learning, right? Deep learning. Oops, let me put deep learning. Now I can say I want a video. Let me say I want a video to be attached. Now, which of the platforms do you want it? I can say, okay, I want it on EasyTech LinkedIn. EasyTech LinkedIn. Why I'm mentioning EasyTech LinkedIn, because my LinkedIn is also connected. So you need to choose the account. Now I told you I one person can have 5 accounts, right? With that I'm saying EasyTech LinkedIn, so that you can see it. I can say I also want it on let me say EasyTech Instagram. I also want it on EasyTech TikTok. EasyTech 366 TikTok. Where again? Twitter. EasyTech 365 Twitter. Right? So make it short, 30, let me say 15 seconds. Captivating, professional. What color should I use? I can determine it. Let's just use what color? Let me just say red. Red color. Right? Red color for the video. Don't forget, don't write it this way. If you are doing it for a professional, you need to, there's way you need to write it. We call it prompt engineering. But this now, I'm just telling you that no matter how you do it, you are still going to get output. So what else again do I want again? What else again are we missing now? So just give it all the information that you want, right? Good. Then I will hit, so Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's okay. I want us to see it. So I will hit enter, right? I will hit enter. So now I want 15 seconds. I don't even say it. I don't say video. Oh, okay. I just see. So can you see the prompt is not really as quality, right? Good. Prompt engineering is a topic on its own. I don't want. Good. So let's see. So the video is keying. This might take some minutes. If it does not work, it will fine tune it again. It will correct again. But now, this same solution, you can use anytime to build it. But the truth is, number one, it's very stressful. Number two, it can break. Right? But this one, like, look, study to yourself. That template failed again. Let me do what? Retry. That's the beauty of MCP. If it breaks, it retry. It retry until it works. Are you there? Good. So that's just basically just an eye opener for you to see how fantastic this solution is, right? How fantastic this solution is. So please, when you're creating video, don't write it this way. Now I've mentioned it. Don't write it this way. You need to. Now I've showed you my prompts. You have seen my prompts. You have seen how detailed, how quality it is, right? Don't do it this way. Good. So grab a more defined prompt. right? A more defined prompt. Make it this way, cinematographic, this area, shiny, arrow, like it describe it. And that's what I also do. And that's what I also do. If I don't know how to describe it, let me just teach you my trick. If I have the template, I will give it to Claude. I will say, Claude, extract for me the exact prompts that can create this image. Prompt will now give me, Claude will now give me the what? The prompt. So you cannot use that prompt, you cannot fine-tune it to suit your need. Are you there? Good. So don't write your prompt this way. Make it more tailored, more defined, provide the role, provide the context, provide the action, right? How you want the output to look like, define it carefully. So it's already taking place. It's already going. So video is ready. Now it's posting it across all platforms. How? Simultaneously. So point now, if you follow us on Instagram, or sorry, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, now go and check yourself. Go and check. I not put YouTube. Hey, what's happening today? I also put YouTube. For those who are doing YouTube automation, I don't know why, I don't know how I forgot, and I was trying to remember. But we can still put it actually. If this is done, I will say, okay. Also, make the same post to YouTube. Go and check on YouTube. You're also going to see it. You're also going to see it. Are you there? Good. What we just did today is what? It's just one out of the many solutions you can create. Don't forget, prompt engineering is very important. Prompt engineering is the instruction you give to AI. The instruction, the questions you ask AI. Number one, structure your prompt clearly. Tell AI what to do, how to do it, your goal. In fact, one of my prompts, I told AI that I want to make 10,000 followers. Write when you're making the post for me on LinkedIn, write it in a way that it will drive conversion. Don't just say, write for me, that's why I did it. I'm not telling my trick, right? Good. So have a goal. I want this post to have 5 followers, 10 followers, 100 followers. AI knows how to write it in a way that nobody gets to suspect, and it will help you achieve your goal, the type of format you want. So start small and then you expand. The truth is this: look at what we did. The first one did not really work. There was no image. Don't be bothered. We did it again. Myself too. I think the first time it's not working. Do it again. Yours might be the 5th time. Yours might be the 3rd time before it works. Right? Master the craft. Monitor it regularly before you completely rely. Are you there? Good. So the future is AI automation. AI automation can be applied to as many fields as possible. But please take notes. Some of you might be like, will AI replace human? That's not why I'm here. Right? That is not why I'm here. So AI does not replace human, but it can amplify your output. But please, let's be at the forefront of this innovation. We can be at the forefront. Right? I've been seeing several roles, several jobs, data analyst with AI, digital marketing with AI. In fact, the one that shocked me, social media manager with AI. If you are a social media manager, these are one of the things you might likely going to be doing. Start small and then do what? So I'd love to take questions now. Before I take questions, what I just did tonight is just one out of 50, 100 solutions, automations you can create. It's just one out of all the automations you can create. Are you there? We would love you to join a 2-month intensive training. There's always the beginning. We're going to teach you how to use anything. We're going to teach you how to use Google Script. We're going to teach you how to use make.com, as well as Claude, this same Claude that we use to do automations. If I want to teach you using anything, it's very stressful. Yes, we're not here to stress you. The world is growing. There are better ways of doing things. And that's why I'm introducing you to Claude. That Claude can do it better, faster, achieve results instantly. These are the tools we're going to be teaching you in the next 2 months. You get to learn from the best. I'm also going to be your instructor. I'm going to be guiding you step by step, by step, by step, until you are confident. From the project we built several solutions, several fantastic solutions that even if you get to hear about, you get to be so excited. And one beautiful part of it is even this course, you can diversify. Yes, you can diversify. You can become automation consultant, automation specialist, developer, AI engineer. You can look into other roles that encompasses this skill. You can also create solutions for yourself. This solution that I see, now I just said it. I said I'm using it for myself. For myself. And it's working for me. I'll not stop using it because I don't be stressed. I want to be visible. I want to be out there. Look at my PowerPoint slide. Is it not amazing? I mean, imagine I come to this class and there's no PowerPoint slide. How would this class look like? Imagine I was able to create this in less than 5 minutes. Automation, let it take the heavy tasks. Any task that consumes your time can be automated. Any task that you do repetitively can be automated. Any task that involves analytical can be automated. Yes, I agree. Not all tasks can be automated. But the truth is, some of these tasks that can be automated takes larger chunk of our time. And that's why this training is tailored to your needs. So please, if you're interested in learning this skill, the training fee is 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. But because you are joining us tonight at this masterclass, that's why we're giving off 20% off discount price for you tonight. You are only expected to pay 80,000 naira. With 80,000 naira, you still have the same opportunity, the same advantage, right? Good. Just because you are joining us tonight. And you can split it into two. You can make your part payment tonight and pay the rest later, right? And if you also want to pay at once, you pay at once, and then you do. Immediately you pay, they're going to give you a form to fill. You input your name, you input your name, your email. What do they get? Who can tell me? Any of my students? Oh, I've meted everybody. I'll have asked my students to tell you. Immediately, you will get admission letter. Immediately, you have to automated it. You will get your admission letter. You will get an ID card. You also get what? Payment receipts. And also, you also be added automatically to the WhatsApp group. You don't need to stress me. Even me too, I don't need to stress you. I don't need to be stressing the graphic designer to come and design your ID card. No. All of this is already. And of course, I'm also going to teach you in class. Are you there? Good. So let's know if you're interested. Our admin, Miss, is going to reach out to you, and then she will share the account number, she will share the account details for those who are interested in learning this skill and become global champion. AI has come to stay. I don't need to tell you more. AI, should I say it, has the high tendency to replace jobs and create new ones. This is one of the jobs that AI wants to create. So if you are still doing the old way, it's fine, right? And if you also want to be at the forefront, you are highly welcome. So that'll be all for now. It's a very fantastic session. But before I wrap up, and let's check our automation if it's live. So we're saying our video is ready. So please go and check any of our social media platform. But let me just check on LinkedIn. So they just said an image. They just see it. So this is the image. The image is not really looking too well. Are you there? But this is the image, right? Good. The image is not really looking too well because the prompt is not too cool. But this is what it's able to create for us. Are you there? Good. Go and check other platforms. This same image, sorry, this same video rather also applies to that. So please go and check yourself. You have the entire liberty to do that on your own. I would love to take 2 questions as I wrap up this conversation. So let me check the chat box for any question. Okay, I love your question, Mr. Choosing. I'm not sure Mr. Mrs. Choosing. Your question is, are we to use Claude Free or Claude Pro? Let me be very honest. I teach students Claude. Some of them are even here, so I don't need to say. I encourage them that they must get Claude Pro. Because in class, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude to create websites. We're not here to play. And if you're using Claude to create website, I don't want to be saying, I cannot create it, because I want everybody to have the experience. We call it vibe coding. It's part of automation. Anything that takes your time, that involves repetition, and then you're spending more time, 3 days, 3 months to create websites, I am here to tell you that you can automate it. So part of what we're going to be doing with Claude, we're going to be creating websites. So please, I encourage students to do what? To get Pro. Are you there? Pro. So many students are saying 50,000 naira. So the actual fee is 100,000 naira. Of course, I believe we are magnanimous enough to say that you can pay 80,000 naira. So this is it. You can make your installment payments and then you can complete the rest, right? So make your 50% discount or 60% discount. You can pay 70, you can pay 80 as installment payments, and then you pay the rest. We allow that. I'm expecting questions. I'm not saying questions. Everybody's account, everybody is saying 50,000 naira. Thank you so much, Mr. Stanley. Yes, Mr. Stanley is our beautiful, brilliant student. Mr. Stanley, yes. Thank you so much for also joining this section. Miss Humble, how are you? Please go ahead and ask a question. Let me unmute the mic so that we can take questions from our audience. So, Miss Humble, please go ahead and ask a question.
Okay, can you hear me now? All right, so thank you so much for the session. My question is, can I use one identity? Let's say I upload my image and Cloud text notes or Blotato, whatever text note of my features and my, just how I look on the surface. And then I tell it to maintain it consistently whenever I post the picture. Because, I want to maintain the identity rather than have like different identity. Let's say I'm doing something that is about instructor, like, instructor standing and pointing at something. I want it to be me, even though it's not like full representation of me, but has a little bit of my features. So is that possible where I upload my image and then just allow it in the future to consistently use my features?
Thank you so much. Yes, the answer is yes, right? Yes. So, and one of the things I also do now, Miss Umbu, you are one of my students now, and you know these things. So, one of the things I also do is I have some images, like 18 on Google Drive. Then I grab those links, I give it to Claude, and now to Claude, you can post any of these images. Do you get it, Miss Umbu? So Claude will just check all those images and then pick it and upload it. So if I want to fine tune it, we have Claude designs. Check it out. Yeah. Then automatically refine it the way you want it and then push it out for you. Very possible. You want YouTube thumbnail. The headache here, let me just tell you, the way the world is going, the headache will be prompt. If you are very good with prompting, you are going to achieve some results and people will be like, wow, it's boils down to prompting. So I really wish, I don't know, I can also take some other class around prompting. But if I want to take class on prompting, I need to pay for access fee. Because prompting will make, if you're a beginner, prompting will make you feel like you are an expert. Yeah, with AI. Prompting, if you are very good with prompting, makes you feel an expert. It's a topic on its own, and I don't know, I get to cover it and my but there will be access fee for that. So it's not be 100% free. But for those who are currently in our paid community or our students, you have free access to all of this information. So I believe it's a very fantastic session tonight. So for those who are willing to join the masterclass that get to start June 5th, it's a 2-month intensive training. We guide you on 4 different automation tools. You can also check out for the content, for the course curriculum, check it out yourself. I can also share with you. You get to see that it's bulky. It is project-based learning. Yes, project-based learning. And you get to learn a lot. That'll be all for now. Thank you so much. It's a fantastic moment with you. I've enjoyed my time with you. And I believe you get enough and a lot of value for you to stand out in this competitive world. Thank you so much. Do take care of yourself. I can't wait to see you apply this skill to make your work faster, easier, and achieve better results. The recording to this section will be available and will be sent across to all those who wait till the final and the tail end of this training. Thank you so much. Do take care of yourself. See you at the top. Bye.